Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is making waves, and not all for the right reasons. From groundbreaking AI features to some unexpected disappointments, this might just be Samsung's most divisive flagship yet. Are they playing it safe, or could this redefine the future of smartphones? Let's dive in. The smartphone world is on fire, and all eyes are on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's flagship for 2025. Known for pushing boundaries, Samsung is now facing a critical question. Can the S25 series live up to its legacy, or is the competition finally catching up? Let's break down the latest leaks, rumors, and surprises surrounding Samsung's next big thing, including the features that have fans divided. Samsung's S25 Ultra is rumored to adopt a squared body design, similar to Google's Pixel lineup and Apple's iPhone. While this shift may please those who found the S24 Ultra's sharp corners uncomfortable, others argue it feels less innovative and more iterative. But here's an interesting twist. The S Pen slot is moving from the left to the right side. While this seems minor, it sparked debates about whether it enhances usability or just serves as an aesthetic tweak. The camera setup on the S25 Ultra may look familiar, but subtle refinements could make all the difference. Leaks suggest a more compact 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and potential improvements to the telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the rumored Galaxy S25 Slim could feature a sleeker form factor with pro-level camera capabilities, though details remain scarce. However, for the base S25 and S25 Plus models, the hardware seems nearly identical to last year's lineup, leaving fans questioning if software improvements alone can impress. The S25 series will reportedly run exclusively on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering global consistency in performance, something Samsung has struggled with in the past. However, setbacks in Exynos chip production and low yields raise questions about Samsung's ability to keep pace with cutting-edge technology. Could outsourcing production to TSMC help Samsung regain its edge, or does this mark a blow to its independence? Only time will tell. Here's where things get controversial. The S25 lineup may stick with M13 displays, even as competitors adopt more advanced M14 panels for better brightness and efficiency. Paired with unchanged battery capacities, Samsung seems to be banking on software optimization to deliver an improved user experience. This cautious approach has left some fans disappointed, wondering if Samsung is holding back its innovations for something bigger later in 2025. Where Samsung does shine is in its color palette. Vibrant options like Moonlight Blue and Sparkling Green, alongside online exclusives like Coral Red and Titanium Jade Green, make this lineup one of the most customizable Galaxy series ever. The S25 series will debut with One UI 7.1, and this could be the lineup's most exciting feature. With rumored AI-powered tools for smarter photo editing, multitasking, and notifications, Samsung is pushing to redefine how we interact with our devices. Imagine a phone that doesn't just respond to your needs but anticipates them. From AI-driven multitasking to context-aware apps, One UI 7.1 could set a new benchmark in smartphone usability. While not directly tied to the S25 series, Samsung's rumored venture into tri-folding smartphones has everyone talking. Could this bold new concept pave the way for Samsung's future dominance? And will it overshadow the more cautious upgrades of the S25 lineup? As we gear up for the Galaxy Unpacked event, one question looms. Can the Galaxy S25 Ultra strike the right balance between refinement and innovation? With competitors like Google and Apple making bold moves, Samsung's ability to surprise us will determine whether it remains the flagship king or leaves room for others to rise. What do you think? Is Samsung playing it too safe, or are these thoughtful refinements exactly what the market needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments.